today?
I'm doing fine. I'm doing great now that this procedure is over.
Wonderful. Well, hey, Randy, tell us a little bit about what you got done today.
I had a crown replaced. It's been a couple of week process, and it fits perfectly, and the whole process and the people were wonderful. Just very excited about it.
It's
something
so glad
Dr.
to hear
Mack
that.
has been after me to get done for several years, and finally I was able to get it done.
We are so glad you did, and we are so glad that you came in here to get that done. Tell me a little bit about kind of what you were expecting.
This is not the first crown I've ever had. I've had root canals from other dentists and crowns put on and replaced. So I was apprehensive. Not so much for the pain as much as it's uncomfortable.
Right.
But for just the whole process. This was not like any of those other experiences. I am not kidding. This was pain-free.
Wow.
Even the deadening, was like, is it done? It was really a pleasant process to go through, much better than I expected.
Wow, that is so incredible. And just the stark differences between the two, it just makes my heart so happy for you.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to thank you so much for choosing us for your treatment.
Well, I have been coming to this clinic before Dr. Mack took over, but she is fantastic, as is the rest of the staff.
Thank you so much. I really
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that. We love having you as a patient.
Good.
And one more quick thing before you go.
Sure.
What is something that you would like to tell new patients who are maybe thinking about coming to try us out?
It is the best dentist office and experience I've ever enjoyed. And trust me, I've had a lot of them.
Oh gosh, thank you so much. We really appreciate you.
Sure thing.